Hi guys, and we have a really big problem. And I don't know if it's good or bad. Problem on my fire line. The panel is broken. And there's a problem with the fire line BG12. So, let's see what the problem first for the panel. This is not resetting really good. So I can reset it. I have school day, and this is left. There's a problem, and I don't know why. There's a problem there too. I don't know why I unscrewed it. Because I heard it going off the other day. And as you can notice, my eyebrows look scary. And as you can see, it's over there. It's broken. And guys, do not sorry guys, I gotta put the camera down. So, where's my freaking... Where's the screwdriver? Where's my freaking screwdriver? Probably should put right here. Probably should take it off. This is weird. Sorry guys, I have to take off the cover for a minute. Probably I should put a stopper. I don't know. Otherwise, the panel will beep and your alarm will go off. So, I took the cover off of it. Do not touch. Because this